What is going on, guys? Welcome to another video. Today what we are doing is just we're painting. We're finally painting the car, as you guys can see at the beginning of this video. Just wrapping up everything that I don't want to get any paint on. And now currently in this moment, both sides are ready with primer and paint. So I'm just waiting here a little bit to let it dry and then check it out and then see what we have to do. I'll probably have to do, I would say, maybe 2 or 3 more coats of white paint, and then after that we'll wait and we'll see what we have to do. Probably just send down with the 800, 1500 and 2000 grit just to get it like nice and smooth and shiny. And then after that, probably just let it dry and apply the clear coat. Kind of windy, but the good thing is, like, on the side that I'm painting, it's where the flares are gonna be. So, and I just didn't want that from before. Let's say if I have to remove the flare for some reason anywhere, then now I don't have the rust that I used to have before. So now at least it's pure and at least it's painted, you know what I mean? So you don't see any rust or anything on the side of the car. So with that being said, we're just waiting right now for the paint to dry. That's it, and I believe it's gonna come out decent. So thumbs up for that. Let me just give you a quick shot and show you guys what we are doing so far. So the driver's side, cover everything up, so just waiting for the white paint to dry. All right, so let me bring you on this side real quick. Like I said, I'm not too worried on both sides that much because the flares are gonna cover most of that part, so it's okay. So what I'm gonna tell you guys what happened in here, what happened in there was that remember when I told you last video that I was gonna cut that out so the tire won't hit? Apparently I forgot that behind that was the trunk. So, and when I cut that out, so it was a big hole. So what I did, I put the foam just to fill the cut pop again and like that, but it's fine, nothing to worry about. I think everything is good to go. We just wait for that paint to dry and we'll do a second coat. We'll go from there. All right, guys, so second coat, I did it just right now. I'm gonna show you real quick how it's been. The paint is coming out really good because what I did was I warmed up the paint before I did the second coat and the first coat as well. Put it in hot water for like a couple seconds, maybe like 50 seconds, a minute, and then when you spray the paint, it sprays better, you know what I mean? All the side as well. This side is coming out good too, so this side is coming out really good as well. It's way better than how it was before with the rust. Look at, really good, perfect. No runs on the paint, as you can see. It's coming out pretty good. So excited, just waiting for that. Do a third base. All right, guys, so now that I wait for the paint to dry on the car, I'm gonna go ahead and retouch my flares with some white plastic dip. Said in the other video, because sometimes it rubs in some sides, so I think it's better just to touch up the plastic dip instead of the actual paint. So we're gonna go ahead and kind of touch up this a little bit, and then we'll go back to the car and do another third coat, and then we'll see where we are from there. Alright, guys, it looks good. There is no right or wrong with plastic dip, so you can just basically spray it however you want and it's gonna come out looking great. I mean, I like how it looks every time it dries on the flares. It looks really nice and clean and neat, no runs, no nothing, so it's gonna look good all the time. I did the second coat already on the car. I didn't record that just because it's the same process from the beginning to the end. It's gonna be the same thing, so I'm just gonna record after when I'm just like sanding a little bit, wet sanding with the sandpaper that I'm using, which is gonna be only 1000, 1500 and 2000. Those are gonna be the only last 3 steps that I'm gonna do after the paint dried. Within just gonna give it maybe like 15 more minutes, and then from there I'm gonna check it out, kind of like wet sand it a little bit, and then after that just put a little bit more paint, and then from there just give it maybe an hour, half an hour after that, and then just clear coat it, and then we'll be looking ready to go and we'll be looking good. All right, guys, so I really said that I was not gonna be using this ones, but unfortunately I think we are gonna stay with the 13s just because I feel like the 13s are the ones that go with this car, with the setup that I have, with the wide flares that I have and everything. I do have another smaller set of flares, but that I could go with the 15s by 9. I don't know, I'm not 100% sure, so I think I'm gonna stay with the 13s right now. So, and I also wanted to paint them, and I think today is gonna be the time to do that as well, because we are waiting for the car just to dry, and it's coming out perfect, and the flares are already dried, I believe. We're just gonna go ahead and clean this with some acetone, and then just kind of like sand this a little bit, so we can just put a little bit of primer, and then we just put the white paint and see how it looks. So I'm gonna try just with one and see if I like it. If I do like it, then I'll paint the other 3 right away. If not, then I will just think about what other colors should I go with, or maybe stay all black. Alright guys, so the wheels are sand down a little bit, just for the primer to kind of like hold in there, and then for the paint, you know what I mean, so it doesn't chip after or comes out eventually quick. So I was thinking also just leave this black and then do the whole lip chrome, but that's my second option. So what I'll do now, I'm gonna go ahead and paint this one on white just to see if I like it. What do you guys think about black and chrome? Let me know if that would be a good idea, or if the white one looks better, which I believe the white one is gonna look better. All right guys, let me give you a quick rundown on the paint. Well, that thing is looking really good. I think it's looking really good, guys. Couldn't be more happy than this. It's perfect. I got the flares already drying. They come out really good as well. Like I said, when you use plastic dip, that's the way to go. Look at this side, beautiful. Paint is looking nice and shiny. There we got the diamond ones. Gonna try to do white. It looks really good on gray though, not gonna lie. Shit looking good. All right guys, so we have accomplished a lot today. I think tomorrow probably I'm just gonna like wet sand this side, and then just repair a little bit more imperfections, probably just like spray a little bit more of paint. But I think everything is 80% done at this time. Also, I'm just waiting for the primer to dry on the wheel. All right guys, so I'm gonna start packing everything up. I should be all set already. I'm gonna leave that paper in there because I just did one last coat of the white paint. I don't care about the back tire if it's painted. It is looking really good. Time also over here, it looks shiny already, man, and that's looking really good. Oh yeah, beautiful. Let me show you something. Ooh. Damn, guys, I don't know but that thing looks insane good. I didn't cover the fault coverages because I'm testing out, but if it gets wrong then I'll just replace it. But guys, come on, so what do you guys think? White or black? The white one looks dope. All right guys, I'll pick up this video another time. See you on the next one, and this is it for today, Sunday. We'll see tomorrow, Monday. Maybe we'll pick it up and then continue doing something else, but for now this is it.